So I just made some tempeh. I fried it. I'll show you how here. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I hadn't tried this. I've had this package in my fridge for a few months. I could go back and find out when I bought it, but I know it's been at least 2 months. And I kept wanting to do this, to fry it. So I'll show you how. And I love it. It is so good. It just takes oil, tempeh, and some salt. That's it. And it's really tasty. I'm gonna eat all this for lunch with some cottage cheese and maybe a bowl of soup. Today I'm going to work with my organic 3-grain tempeh. I made some tempeh tacos with it before, but today I'm going to cut this open and I'm just going to slice it pretty thin. I'm just going to do maybe, I don't know, a third of the package because I've never done this before. These are fermented soybeans and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to cut this kind of as thin as I can. This is what I've been told to do. And then I'm going to fry it. And I've heard this is the best way, it's the favorite way, I guess, for people to eat tempeh. So maybe I'll just do this much to show you. Like I said, I've never made it before. And you don't really do anything to it. I'm not going to marinate it or season it. I think I just put some salt on when I'm done. But I have a pan, a small pan, because I really am just trying this out. So I didn't want to use a big skillet or something. And I'm going to put the tempeh in there. This has only been heating up a little while, but it's probably pretty hot. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. I'm using olive oil. And I think so I don't burn myself. And I can see the steam coming off of that. So I'm going to take that off the burner while I get a spoon or something, a fork maybe. I turn the heat down to maybe a medium high. And I'm just going to place a few of these in here. Wow, it's really cooking fast. It looks really good. Nice golden brown. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Cooking, I'm going to get some paper towel material so I can strain this to drain it on. Okay, so these look like they're done to me. I'm going to take the pan off the heat and just pull them out, put them on this paper towel to drain. And they smell good. I have a friend who lives in Indonesia and she has a cook and she makes this all the time and she just loves it. So I'm going to let that cool off a minute and I'll put a little salt on there and just try a few. It's really high in protein. This package of 8 ounces, half a pound, is 2.5 servings, it says. And it has 16 grams of protein per serving. So I didn't do very much, but I just want to see how it goes, see if I like it, because I know I like the tacos I made, so I could use the rest of it for some tempeh tacos. But let me get the salt and give this a try. Okay, hoping this is cool enough. It's really good. Interesting. I would say ding, 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 we have a winner. This is the package of tempeh that I used, and I have About half of it left. Can't wait. But I'm really full. It's kind of filling. So as you can see, I got it at Trader Joe's. Organic 3-grain tempeh. A vegan protein powerhouse made from soybeans, brown rice, barley, and millet. Bake it, broil it, steam it, or fry it. And I fried it this time, and it was very good. 8 ounces, and I'm thinking this was like $2.99. Has, right there, 16 grams of protein per serving. And there are 2.5 servings in this package. And I ate half, so that's like, what? 24. Probably 24 grams of protein. Maybe that's why I'm so full. Anyway, I'll be buying this again when I go to Trader Joe's, for sure. I just wanted to show you the tempeh frying in the oil, and I just used maybe 3 tablespoons of oil. I used a small pan so that it would be, you know, it wouldn't have to be real deep and waste a lot of oil. But I was also told you can use the oil to season other foods because it gives some of the flavor from the tempeh into the oil. And I'm just cooking them, I would say maybe 3 minutes total because I have pretty small pieces. And it is delicious. I've got this little platter over here started, but I keep eating from it. So I'm gonna finish these, and then I'm gonna cook these. I'm gonna cook bigger strips. And again, it's just whole soybeans that have been fermented and packed together to make these. It's kind of like a cake, you know, texture. So I think I found a new favorite food. This is delicious. Get these out and put those other strips in. Here are the long strips that I'm cooking, and they're almost done. I've turned the heat off of the burner because it stays hot with an electric stove. So I am going to eat all of those and all of these. It's delicious. I've had this package of tempeh in my fridge for a couple months, and it's fermented, so it's not going to go bad or anything, and it's been refrigerated. But I am thrilled that I tried this because I love it. It's delicious. So what do you think? Will you try making some fried tempeh? I had only ever used it one other time, and I made some tempeh tacos, and they were good. And I like this better because the tempeh tacos, I crumbled the tempeh, and I think I cooked it in the air fryer. I don't remember, but I have a video. I could watch it, but you guys can watch it if you want. I'll put a link in the description. And this is just wonderful. It tastes so good. I don't know what it tastes like. It has kind of a nutty flavor. It's fermented soybeans, so thank you, fermented soybeans. I love you. You are my favorite at this moment because I'm going to go eat that. So I got to go and go eat that stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.